Hi guys, what's up and welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, it's Jane and welcome to my space. I don't even know what website this is, but my security guard was the one that saved it. This is what I ordered, you guys. This thing. I think you guys are a bit low. Let me increase you a bit so you can see your baby girl. Okay, that works. It is the multifunctional cleansing instrument. Basically, you just take this and you take out all your white hairs. White hairs on your nose, face, wherever. I can't wait to try it out. I got it in pink. I will do a dedicated review to this and all that stuff, so stay tuned for the video. I have some work to do. I filmed the video yesterday. I haven't arranged since I filmed that video. My makeup is still in the parlor. Everywhere is still turning on its own. So this is what is going on in my apartment. Everywhere is just scattered. Everywhere is turning on your own. My bag, just look at, like, it just take. I just got B nuts. They are from Lady Anne on Instagram. She's also like one of my loyal subscribers. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you for you guys go buy B nuts for all your curry. I'm about to have curry with sugar and milk. So dope. Thank you. Oh my god, why is it so difficult to get Grab?
Looking for a Grab.
I know, like over 1 hour.
Oh, really?
Yeah. No Grab.
Very high in demand. That's why.
Yeah. Yeah, you have the cash.
Yeah,
okay. Guys, so I'm on my way to the embassy. Good morning. It's so difficult these days to get Grab. I don't know why. For over an hour I couldn't get one, but I finally did. I'm on my way to the embassy. I'm going to get my passport. If you guys don't know, passport is out. I'm sure by the time you're watching this vlog it's done and dusted, but yeah, I'm going to get my passport because you guys remember I renewed it last year for a ridiculous amount. But I'm going to get it today. You guys, God just saved me today. Like the way God saved me, I don't know, because I legit was planning to wear a ripped jean, and I was just like, oh, since AB has gotten her passport, let me just ask her, because my appointment is today. Let me just ask her like what and what to expect or what to do and what to bring. So she not told me, oh, don't forget your old passport. Also dress appropriate. Oops. Also dress appropriate. And I'm like, you guys are sorry for jumpy road. I'm like, really? I was just about to like wear ripped jean and all that. So she was like, oh, don't wear crazy jean. Really, I just saw don't wear crazy jean. I'm just like, God, I just put back the jean in the wardrobe and picked out something else. Yeah, I think the new ambassador now, she's actually doing a great job, and like she doesn't want people coming in looking anyhow. Even like when we did this thing, there was this girl that wore something and like her legs were so obvious. She literally gave the girl wrapper to cover her leg. So yeah, see you guys
the love for me. To myself, forget your feelings, show me you want it. You've been a fan now, ain't no more talking. Need you to back it up. Back it up. Know you been feeling, body been calling. You know this good shit, you been on it. I need you to back it up. Yeah, back it up. Ain't no time to play with you, had your time to get with it. Now I'm in your face with it, what you gon' do with it? Legs up to the ceiling, know that I'm a freak with it. Hit you when I need it, but you know what it is. Forget your feelings, show me you want it. You've been a fan now, ain't no more talking. Need you to back it up. Back it up. Know you been feeling, body been calling. You know this good shit, you been on it. I need you to back it up. Yeah, back it up. This is situation, pull up on me, baby. Come give me the fist, yeah, if you know what I'm saying. This pussy is healing when I get you deep in it. I know that you feel me, but you know what it is. It's crazy, you're talking crazy when you get faded. Foolish, I want you ruthless, don't keep me waiting. On it, I want you on it, got you hooked off it. But I don't need you falling. Forget your feelings, show me you want it. You've been a fan now, ain't no more talking. Need you to back it up. Back it up. Know you been feeling, body been calling. You know this good shit, you been on it. I need you to back it up. Yeah, back.
It's so hot in Manila. Oh, Jesus. I swear I don't plan to be here though, but I'm so exhausted. I've been working on my wigs, just like prep them to keep them in the bag, so anytime I need them I'll just take it out and use. So yeah, I'm pretty hungry. Ordered some pizza. See, people that do hair, I give it to people. I cannot. This is the second time I'm trying to do my hair myself, and it's a lot. I will not do it. I'm sorry. Somebody has started a wig revamp business in the Philippines, so we can be sending our wigs to that person, because hair is not for me. Hey guys, I don't even know where this vlog is at. I have been so busy. I've been editing, like I have a lot of videos to edit, and it's like so difficult because I'm not just editing for my YouTube now. I'm actually working with some brands and I need to roll out their videos as soon as possible. A package came in some days ago. I just wanted to update you guys. My aircon is on, you guys. It's so hot in Manila. Am I the only one feeling this? Let me know. Okay, let's take this out for a bit. If you know Larie women, so you guys remember in February during my birthday I put her up as one of my wish list, one of the things that I wanted in my wish list, and it just never happened. Tana is this week. This is her packaging. This is where it comes in, and then it comes in with the hair here. I've opened this hair, I'm never going to lie, but I packaged everything back just to show you people. And it comes with this tail comb. I have a tail comb that is already bending, and this just came in really handy. It also comes with recaps, so it's 2-piece in one. This is the goodie, the main thing. This is the hair. So if you don't know, she is one of the people that sell human hair here, that sell wigs here, like from synthetic to, you know, any type of wig that you want. And I chose this kinky feel wig, which is so good. And you guys, it comes with a label. I actually didn't see this label when I opened this wig, but I'm surprised. It comes with a label that comes with a hair care. It was a long read, but this hair feels so soft. Shirts a bit, but not too much. It's something that you can work with. This is the detailing of the frontal. It looks so good. Yeah, so I'm going to have to cut off the lace. Thank you, Larry women. A lot of good things have just been happening. Let's just put it that way. I feel like April is just that month. It's really full. Like, it's got volume. I still need to pluck a little bit. Guys, I'm going to end up buying a lot of food this week. It's crazy because I don't really like buying food outside because of how it always turns out. But I forgot that it's Holy Week, meaning a lot of places are going to be closed. Things are not going to be as it used to, and I just forgot. So I ordered food and they're bringing it for me. I ordered some peri-peri chicken. You guys know that that's actually one of my favorite restaurants to order in. So that's what I'm going to eat. And trust me, Filipino restaurants are expensive. No one really talks about it, but if you want to have a good Filipino meal, it's actually pricey. And sometimes I see some people complain about how much Nigerian food is. I'm like, 400, but that Nigerian food will like hold you up for a very long time. But you see all the Filipino food, they'll be so pricey, but in the next 2-3 hours you're hungry again, like bruh. But I don't have a choice this period. I'm just going to keep buying food. I just finished editing the video that I was working on for a brand. I'm about to send it to them for them to tell me if they like it. Very cheeky. My voice is so awkward. Java rice, but it's like upgraded. Like if you ask them for Spanish rice, they're going to make it spicy. Some mashed potatoes, the chicken. I should do like a mukbang on my channel soon. I don't know. I've never done a mukbang on my channel before. Probably with someone really fun. Their mashed potato today is not nice. So the one they used to do before is really nice. Which one not fuller? I'm so hot. Like, it's crazy how hot Manila is. I cannot survive in this place again. I don't know how people are coping in this town.